Hey there, this is Pranshu Verma, and let's get start our new lecture on capacitance. Okay, in the previous one we have already studied about some formula like polarization P is equal to dipole moment upon volume. From here we find that this comes equal to Q into 2A and divided by Q 2A into area. This 2A is the length and we will cancel out, and Q by A, that comes sigma. So we know this formula P equal to sigma. Okay, and the next formula is P equal to chi epsilon naught into E net. Okay, so by using these two formulas, today we are going to prove the we are going to derive a relation between chi and dielectric constant. Okay, so put the heading on your notebook that relation between chi and k, chi and k के बीच में हम रिलेशन देखेंगे. So what is the relation? देखें, look, as you know, this is the dielectric. Okay, let's see, this is the dielectric of area A. Okay, and this is put under an external electric field E naught. Okay, due to this there will be a polarized electric field inside the dielectric EP. As you know, the positive and negative charges will going to be separated, है ना? Okay, positive negative charge will going to be separated, due to which the electric field will comes into the picture, है ना? Electric field जरूर आएगी, and this electric field is weaker than EO, so there will be a net electric field that comes equal to EO minus EP. Okay, there will be En equal to EO minus E naught minus EP. Okay, now this formula, this value EP, what is the value of EP? Try to solve this formula. Try to find the value of EP. Okay, so EP, what will be the value of EP? So you know, dielectric is a plate. So the value of EP should be equal to sigma upon epsilon naught. What is the sigma? Sigma is the superficial charge density, and which was equal to the polarization. So EP comes equal to be P by epsilon naught. Okay, as epsilon naught is the permittivity in space. Okay, and P is the polarization. Now you know the formula of P. I just write the formula of P, that equal to chi into epsilon naught into En upon epsilon naught. So from here epsilon naught will cancel out, and EP comes equal to be chi into En. Is it true? समझ में आया? कोई दिक्कत? There is no problem between this EP. Okay, how it comes from sigma upon epsilon naught to chi into En. Okay, there is no problem. Okay, now let's see the value. Put the value of EP in the above equation, so we get the value of En like this. En equal to E naught minus chi into En. Okay, change the side of En, or say कि En एक तरफ. So let common the En 1 plus chi E into En equal to E naught, or chi E equal to E naught divided by En. What is the value of E naught divided by En? This is called E naught divided by En is called, what is called? Dielectric constant. I told you before in the last class, है ना? Dielectric constant K. Okay, how it comes? Let's see. E naught by En. if you see the value of E naught, that comes sigma upon epsilon naught. But if you see the value of En, that comes sigma upon epsilon. Okay. Okay. If I put this value up, and this going to be down. Okay. Now see, this is the relative permittivity ER, and that is called K. इसी को बोलते K. ओके, कोई दिक्कत? नो प्रॉब्लम. चलिए लेट्स सी. नाउ 1 plus chi comes equal to be K, and this is the relation between K and chi. 1 plus chi equal to K, and this show that the chi will be always positive, then K will always be greater than 1. If remember this thing, if chi is positive, that is always positive for dielectric, so K is always greater than 1. The minimum value of the K may be 1, but if the dielectric is there, then there is no dielectric having dielectric constant less than 1, because the permittivity in space is the minimum value of epsilon naught. Okay, उससे छोटी वैल्यू कभी नहीं हो सकती, उससे ज़्यादा बड़ी वैल्यू होती है. ओके, आई थिंक यू गेट द वैल्यू, यू गेट द रिलेशन बिटवीन दिस थिंग. ओके, लेट मी रब विद दिस. ओके, थैंक यू. नाउ as I mentioned before, in this capacitance there is no more topics, ज़्यादा टॉपिक नहीं है. सीरीज पैरेलल कनेक्शन, growth and decay circuits, and the derivation we are going to do now, that is the capacitance of a capacitor when there is a dielectric. Okay, so topic capacitance of a dielectric capacitor. Okay, now try to solve this formula and try to generate this derivation. Okay, we consider a capacitor in which the area, cross-sectional area, is capital A. Okay, and there is a dielectric of thickness T is used in this parallel plate capacitor. The separation between the parallel plates is D. Okay, so if there is no dielectric, then C comes equal to be A epsilon naught upon D. Okay, A epsilon naught upon D, that comes C. Okay, if there is no dielectric. But if there is a dielectric, what will happen? If there is a dielectric, look what is going to be happen now. There will be a potential stored in this space, and there will be a potential also stored inside the dielectric. Dielectric में भी potential store होगा. Why? Because there is a electric field inside the dielectric. There is a electric field, और जहाँ जहाँ electric field वहाँ पर potential. Remember this, जहाँ जहाँ electric field वहाँ वहाँ potential. Okay, so there will be a potential. So there will be two potentials, first in space, second in the dielectric. First in the space, second one in the dielectric. If you talk about the space, if there is a net electric field E naught, external electric field E naught, then V naught will come equal to E naught into D minus T. What is D minus T? D minus T is the distance of this separation. This total D, this thing is T, so how much space will that? D minus T. So D minus T into E naught will be the value of V in this space, the potential in this space will be V naught. Okay, now talk about the potential inside the dielectric. What will be the value of dielectric? What will be the value? The bhaiya net electric field inside the dielectric into the thickness of dielectric, into the thickness of dielectric. Okay, now you know the value of E naught and En, that is equal to dielectric constant. From here we can say that E net equal to आता है E naught divided by K. Okay, so put the value of E net as E naught divided by K into T. E naught divided by K into T. So put common E naught. Okay, this comes D minus T plus T by K. D minus T plus T by K. Okay, or V can be written as E naught. What is the value of E naught? E naught should be equal to charge density upon epsilon naught. Remember all these formulas. Please try to remember all these formulas. If you don't remember these formulas, you will get wrong the things. Okay, और आपको typical लगेगा, ठीक है? And let me common the D from inside. What will be the value? D will common 1 minus T by D, because T doesn't have D, so D going to be in the denominator and K into D. This will be the value comes. Okay, now this sigma can be written as charge upon area epsilon naught into D into 1 minus T by D plus T by KD. Okay, T by KD. Okay, now let's see, is it okay? Everything is going is fine. I think you all know every steps, every formula that I am using. Now V equal to Q by A epsilon naught D 1 minus T by D plus T by KD. Now this Q can be I can put this into the denominator of V, so V by Q can be written as C 1 upon C, as you know Q equal to C into V, Q equal to C into V, so V by C can be written as 1 upon C. Okay, everything is fine. Okay, D by A epsilon naught 1 minus T by D plus T by KD. Okay, 1 by D और T by KD. Okay, now सीधा कर लेते हैं इसको. C इक्वल टू दैट कम्स ऊपर A epsilon naught upon D, and this all things will go into the denominator, T by D plus T by KD. Okay, and this is your formula. मैं फिगर हटा रहा हूँ. Now look, this A epsilon naught upon D, that is equal to C naught, the capacitance of the capacitor when there is no dielectric. So C naught upon 1 minus T by D plus T by KD, coming the last formula. Okay, this is the formula. C equal to C naught upon 1 minus T by D plus T by KD. Yeah, I know this is little bit typical, so weird type of formula, yes I know, but you have to remember this formula for the basic, for the need purpose. Okay, if I say that t equal to d, what will happen, मतलब हमने स्पेस छोड़ा ही नहीं है, हमने स्पेस नहीं छोड़ा, बिल्कुल सब भर दिया पानी से. ओके, बीच में कोई स्पेस नहीं है, तो t इक्वल टू डी हो जाएगा. एट दिस कंडीशन व्हाट विल कम्स, लुक, t by d comes equal to 1, 1 minus 1 0, t by d comes equal to 1, and here will remain only 1 by k, or k will go up, so c comes equal to k into c naught. From here you can see as k is always greater than 1, so greater than 1 is multiplied with something coming equal to be greater than something. Okay, 1.2 is get multiplied by 10 comes 12, greater than 10, what I am talking about. Okay, so from here you can easily say that ki c will come equal to k into c naught, k into a. If you put the value of c naught, what you will get, a epsilon naught, a epsilon naught upon d into k. In the NCERT book this formula is used, k into a epsilon naught into a upon d. This is the formula, but I use general way. Why I use general way? Because I am a competitive teacher, I am not a रद्दी type ऐसा normal. Okay, मैं चाहता हूँ कि आप लोग जनरलाइज चीज़ें सीखें. इससे कि क्या होगा, what will happen when you learn that formula. If in JEE Mains or NEET, यदि पेपर वाला ट्रिकी बनाना चाहेगा, पेपर को ट्रिकी बनाना चाहेगा, तो यू कैन क्रैक दैट क्वेश्चन. ओके, एंड इफ यू लर्न दिस फॉर्मूला यू विल गो बर्न आउट. ओके, सो हमें जनरल चीज़ें पढ़नी है, हमें दूर तक का सोचना है, हमें भी आपको भी. ओके, तो मैं कोशिश करूँगा कि आप लोग मेरे से बहुत ज़्यादा सीखें और इसको फॉर्मूले को, डेरिवेशन को अच्छे से देख लो. इफ़ यू डोंट गेट दिस डेरिवेशन, आई विल मेक श्योर दैट आई विल डू this again. Okay, and with the differ way. Okay, so please try to make it understand. Thank you everyone. As you can see, first question for capacitance, the question says that capacitor of कोई ऑपरेट है, कोई सर्किट है in which we have to operate the capacitor having the cross sectional area of 2 mm square. Okay, we have the value of a, that is equal to 2 mm square. Okay, and convert it into the meters, 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. Remember it, 1 mm equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter, so 1 mm square comes equal to 10 to the power minus 6 meter square. Okay, now, and the distance between the parallel plates, that means the value of d is given as 0.5 mm, that comes equal to be 0.5 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Okay, now find the value of the capacitance. Okay, c की value find करनी है. There is nothing special case, so c naught comes equal to be a epsilon naught upon d. You always remember, you have to remember the value of epsilon naught, and that comes equal to be 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. Remember it always, 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, and the unit of the epsilon naught is Coulomb square upon Newton meter square. Okay, remember it. And this d dil leene walo dil deena seekho ji, and this comes c naught as 10 to the power minus 3, 10 to the power minus 6 comes equal to be 10 to the power minus 3. How it comes, 10 to the power minus 3 will go up. Okay, and minus 6 plus 3 comes equal to minus 3. Okay, and here 10 to the power minus 12, so 10 to the power minus 3 or 10 to the power minus 12 comes equal to 10 to the power minus 15. So let me remove it and write as 10 to the power minus 15. Okay, now this, सबसे पहले कैलकुलेशन में याद रखो, 10 to the powers को क्लियर करो. ओके, 10 to the powers को क्लियर करोगे उतना अच्छा होगा आपके लिए. ओके, मैं तो कैसे भी कर लूँगा. ठीक है, हाँ, ये याद रखना, मेरी कैलकुलेशन बहुत अच्छी है. डिवाइडेड बाई 0.5. ओके, नाउ 1 upon 0.5 can you can write as 1 upon 0.5 as 2. Remember it. These are small tricks, सो जो टाइम बचाती हैं, तो दिस इज 4 इंटू 8.5 व्हाट विल कम्स 5 चौक 20, 8 पंजे 40, मैं सिंपल मल्टीप्लाई कर रहा हूँ, 8 चौक 32, 32 2 34, 3 8 चौक 32, 32 और 3 35. I just simply multiply this and 10 to the power minus 3, oh sorry, minus 15 farad. Okay, this can be written as 3.54 into 10 to the power minus 14 farad. Always remember it. Okay, always remember it. This is the value of capacitor, the capacitance of the capacitor that have been given to us. Okay, but now it is not completed here. क्या होता है आगे कि what will be the capacitance when a conducting plate of thickness 0.25 mm is placed inside it. Okay, so उतारो इसको and then we'll go to the next part of this question. See what I have said, that in the questions, first of all remember the value of C naught. C naught was equal to 3.54 into 10 to the power minus 14 farad. Okay, now you have to find the value of C when a conducting plate is placed. Remember the formula, याद करो formula को, C naught upon 1 minus T by D. It was the formula, C naught divided by 1 upon 1 minus T by D. It was the formula. So you know the value of C naught, 3.54 into 10 to the power minus 14. T by D, what is the value of T? That is 0.5. And what is the value of 0.25. And what is the value of D? 0.5. It is given 0.25 T given है. So it comes 0.5 and 0.25. If I remove the points, सीधी सी बात है, it comes 1 by 2. Okay, 1 by 2, 1 minus 1 by 2 comes equal to 1 by 2. Yeah, is it true? And this 2 will go up. 3.54 into 2 into 10 to the power minus 14 farad. Okay, and this comes equal to be 7.8 आएगा. 08 7.08 into 10 to the power minus 14 farad. देखो दुगना हो गया. देखो कंडक्टिंग लोड डालते ही कैपेसिटेंस क्या हो गया, दुगना हो गया, एज यू कैन सी. तो बेनिफिशियरी कंडक्टिंग प्लेट डालना, लेकिन उससे हमारा काम नहीं चल रहा. ओके, उतारो फॉर्मूला, उतारो. हुआ? चलिए मैं आपके लिए वीडियो पॉज कर देता हूँ. क्वेश्चन देख पा रहे हो? अच्छा क्वेश्चन दिया मैंने इस बार. एक कैपेसिटर है, देयर इज अ कैपेसिटर ऑफ क्रॉस सेक्शनल एरिया 5 mm square. Okay, and the distance between the plates is 3 mm. Okay, you know the value of A, that is equal to 5 mm square, and you know the value of D, that is come equal to 3 mm. Okay, so convert it into the meters. 10 to the power minus 6 meter square, as I told you before, and 3 into 10 to the power minus 3 meter. Okay, now find the value of capacitance. So okay, C naught equal to A epsilon naught upon D. Okay, what is the value of A? A is equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. D is equal to what is the value of D? 3 into 10 to the power minus 3. Good. And what is the value of epsilon naught? 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. Okay, my dear students, look here, 8.85 and 3, that is 8.85 is approximately equal to 9. So this comes 3. होता है. If you are studying physics, so you have to learn about the approximation that we used in the formulas. And 10 to the power minus को compare करोगे तो -6 minus 12 that becomes 18, and this -3 comes going to be ऊपर और पॉजिटिव का हो जाएगा तो 15. तो 15 into 10 to the power minus 15, so 1.5 into 10 to the power minus 14 farad. That's going to be answer. You can easily find this formula. Okay, this value of C. Okay, मेरे ख्याल से बहुत ईजी था, है बहुत आसान था. लेकिन आगे देखो आगे क्या है. आगे बोला है कि भैया ऑल्सो फाइंड द वैल्यू ऑफ द थिकनेस ऑफ द कंडक्टिंग प्लेट. ओके, कंडक्टिंग प्लेट की थिकनेस T फाइंड करनी है. दैट कैन मेक द कैपेसिटेंस ऑफ द कैपेसिटर ट्वाइस ऑफ द इनिशियल. ओके, मतलब देखो क्वेश्चन में क्या दिया है. क्वेश्चन में दिया है कि C comes to be equal to 2 into C naught. So what will be the T? In the previous question we have the value of T and we get the value of C. From here we have the relation between C and C naught, initial capacitance and the new capacitance where after conducting plate is inserted in the capacitor, and we have to find the value of T. So you know the value of C naught. C, what is the value of C? C naught into upon 1 minus T by D, and that it comes to be equal to C naught, 2 C naught. C naught will cancel out. Okay, so 1 equal to 2 into 1 minus T by D. Okay, T by this comes to be there here. Okay, or 1 by 2 equal to 1 minus T by D. Is it true? हाँ जी, is it true? Good, बहुत बढ़िया. 1 by 2 equal to 1 minus T by D. T by D will go there and 1 by 2 comes here. So T by D equal to 1 minus 1 by 2, that comes 1 by 2, that is equal to T by D, or D will go there, so T comes equal to D by 2. ओके, ये हमें पहले से पता था लेकिन हमने छुपा के रखा. 3 by 2. D की वैल्यू क्या क्वेश्चन में गिवन थी? 3. What is the value of D? It is equal to 3 mm. So what will be the value of T? Should be 1 by 1.5 mm. Okay, so now, from here you can easily understand the value of T. Okay, and the relation between C and D. उतारिए क्वेश्चन, मैं अगला कराता हूँ. See the next question. What is the next question? Says the air capacitor of capacitance 5 microfarad. Okay, you have the value of capacitance that is equal to 5 microfarad and having the distance of 9 nanometer, and you know the value of nanometer, that comes equal to 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Okay, always remember. Okay, so you have to find the value of cross sectional area. You have the value of this thing, right? From here A comes equal to be C naught into D by epsilon naught. What is the value of C naught? C naught equal to 5 into 10 to the power minus 6. What is the value of micro? Micro का मतलब 10 to the power minus 6. Always remember it. कुछ पावर्स याद रख लो. माइक्रो का मतलब है 10 to the power minus 6 फैरड. ओके, और पीको 1 फैरड आएगा 10 to the power minus 12 फैरड. ओके, ये मेन है जो ज़्यादातर यूज़ होते हैं, पीको फैरड एंड माइक्रो फैरड. ओके, इसी में ज़्यादातर यूज़ होता है. ओके, 10 to the power minus 12 पीको का मतलब. नाउ डी, what is the value of D? 10 to the power minus 9. 9 into 10 to the power minus 9. 8.85 into 10 to the power minus 12. 8.85 and this 9. It's approximately equal to each other. So A comes equal to be 5 into 10 to the power minus 6, 10 to the power minus 9. That comes equal to be 10 to the power minus 15, and 12 will go there ऊपर. So 10 to the power minus 15 plus 10 to the power 12, that comes equal to 10 to the power minus 3 meter square. 10 to the power minus 3 meter square. This is a good capacitor. Okay, having a good size of capacitor. Okay, so this is the capacitor. This is the cross sectional area which is coming out from the question. And now we see the next part of the question. What is the next part? The next part says the dielectric constant K 1.2 is used and the thickness is given exactly half, 4.5 nanometer. That means 4.5 into 10 to the power minus 9 meter. Okay, and as you know, k is a dimensionless and unitless quantity. Okay, so it is has no unit. Okay, now these two things have also given to us. So what is the value of c? C equal to c naught upon 1 minus t by d plus t by kd, है ना? This was the formula. You know the value of c naught 5 microfarad, 10 to the power minus 6. Put the value. 1 minus t, what is the value of t? 4.5. d, what is the value of d? 9. Okay, that एक बात सुन लो, यहाँ पे हमें mm को मीटर्स में कन्वर्ट करने की ज़रूरत नहीं है, एज both are in mm, so mm will cancel out. Okay, so you don't need to convert it into meters. Okay, 9 into 1.2. Okay, now this comes equal to be 1 by 2, this comes equal to be 1 by 2. Okay, so c comes equal to be 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon 1 minus 1 by 2, that comes 1 by 2, plus, and this will be 2.4, 2 into 1.2, that becomes 2.4. okay, पॉइंट हटाओ, ऊपर जीरो बढ़ाओ. ओके, 5 into 10 to the power minus 6 upon LCM, take the LCM will come 24. okay, here 12, इधर 10, 12 10 22. okay, now 5 into 24 will go up, 10 to the power minus 6 upon 22. okay, this is the things coming out. Yep, there is no problem with this, with these things. 5 into 24, how it will come? 120. okay, 10 to the power minus 6. This is only a calculation that you are going to be do. okay, 120 divided by 22, that comes equal to be approximately 5. 5 point something it will come. Okay, let me do 5, that means 110 and remainder will be 10. so पॉइंट लगेगा, जीरो बढ़ेगी और कितनी तरफ चल जाएगा? 4 टाइम चल जाएगा. तो 5.4 इंटू 10 to the power minus 6 फैरड. ओके, पहला कितना था? 5 माइक्रोफैरड. नाउ 5.4 माइक्रोफैरड. इट सीम्स लाइक उर्दू इधर से इधर. ओके, तो मेरे ख्याल से आप लोगों को समझ में आया होगा मैं किस तरीके से सॉल्व कर रहा था. इस तरफ से इस तरफ जा रहा है. ओके, तो इस क्वेश्चन का सॉल्यूशन ज़रा सही से कर लेना. कैलकुलेशन है और कुछ नहीं है, और कुछ हमें करना भी नहीं था. ठीक है, क्वेश्चन वाज प्रीटी इजी. ओके, एंड इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास, इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर, दिस इज द लेक्चर वी आर गोइंग टू बी फिनिश्ड. ओके, इन द नेक्स्ट क्लास, इन द नेक्स्ट लेक्चर we are going to do some acha numericals. okay, and 2 to 3 numericals we are going to do on this topic. okay, and then we move forward on the series and parallel connection. This very important topic, series and parallel connections. okay, and then decay and growth circuits. okay, thank you everyone.